Hi everybody, good evening. Very warm welcome to today's yoga session with me Megha. Okay, so if I'm audible and you can see me clearly, just give me a thumbs up. All right, wonderful. Welcome Archie, Rathi, Reshma. Welcome all of you, Ritu, Shweta. Happy to be here. Connect with all of you on both Facebook and Insta handles of Anytime Fitness. Thank you so much. All are welcome. Thank you, Amir. I'm good. How are you? Okay. Oh, well, that's wonderful. What's the plan today? Okay. So, while there are more people who are joining in, I would request all of you to get two water bottles today. Water bottles because I have these 1 kg weights available with me. Okay. So, yes. Hi, Amir. Okay, so of course today भी हम जैसा mixed body लेते हैं. I'll take the full body because it's only a one session a week that we do. So, but today it would be a sculpt session. Sculpt would be meaning with weights. So we can just take light weights with us. So can you just quickly rush and get your water bottles? Okay, that's not an issue if you do not have weight. Thank you, Amir. If you do not have weight, that's fine. No, not an issue. Just get water bottles. Water bottles everybody has. No excuses. Yeah, so just quickly rush. Thank you. Hi Ritika, Ashmeet, Barkha Sood. Okay, wonderful. Happy to see you all joining in. Yes, and those who have been with me, just give me a thumbs up, a double thumbs up. Those who are with me right from the first session. See, these are 1 kg which are available with me. If you have 2, you can get that. That's fine. Just quickly rush and get 2 filled water bottles. I hope कोई खाली bottle नहीं लेके आ जाए. Yeah, 1 kg will be fine. Hi Gunjan. Sure. So, yes, we would be just using a little bit, adding a little intensity to the postures by using light weight. 1 kg is good, 2 kg is good as well. No weights, then no issues. Get water bottles. Get filled water bottles, not empty ones. Okay, alright. Okay, that's wonderful. Shashank, Tanu, Ishu, Gopi. Alright, great. Okay, so not to forget that this is of course an alright, not a problem, Ritika Gupta. Thank you, Amit. Hi, Gunjan. Alright, yeah, so I guess there are more and more people joining in. So as they join, they will be just getting the bottles, and those who are here with the bottles ready, let's begin. Okay, not to forget, of course, this is a yoga session, so I will be sticking to the yogic postures, but it's only that we are having the ways to create more intensity. Alright? Okay, so I guess there is no issue with the sound and the light. Okay, wonderful. Alright, so let's just sit upright. All can hear me well? Yeah. Okay, let's begin with sitting upright. So those who are with me have been with me in all my sessions. I've already told what is sitting upright. Of course, your chest has to be out. The shoulders will be just rolled back. Yeah? Okay. Just close your eyes. Let's do mindful breathing first. Let's just connect with what's going in. So just take a deep breath. Analyze how you're feeling today. Any stiffness anywhere, just analyze and search what's happening within you. Disconnect with the outside, just connect with the inside. So let's take 3 deep breaths. Take a deep breath from your nose. Exhale from your mouth with a ha sound. Okay. Inhale again. Don't forget to add a smile there. Inhale. Exhale, ha sound. Inhale. Exhale, ha sound. Okay. Hands in Gyan Mudra. Hands in Gyan Mudra, Chin Mudra. Okay. So, we'll just... Okay. Alright, I'll be louder. Okay. So, your hands are in Gyan Mudra. And just take Om 3 times. Om 3 times. Just open your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Okay. So let's begin with warming up the legs first while we're still sitting. Butterfly. Okay, so for those who are joining now, please get weight. Please get a little weight. If you do not have 1 kg, 2 kg weights, then please get water bottles. Okay, 2 water bottles. Yes. Butterfly, butterfly. Now just take the weight, stretch up and continue to push your knees down in butterfly. Yes, yes, add the smile there. Push your knees down in butterfly. Keep the weight in your hand. Stay in butterfly and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Legs are still in butterfly, guys. 8, 9, 10 and release. Okay. Now just bring your legs this way in Gomukh position. Okay. So this way the knee on top of the other knee. One knee. So right now my right knee is on top of the left knee. Alright. Again. In my right hand I am holding the weight. Stretch. Stretch. Chest open. Stretch. Yes. Release. And take the other way. Stretch. Hold for a few seconds here. Yes, wonderful. Stay there. Keep breathing. Release. Okay. Alright. So now, stretch your hands up. You can leave the weight and come forward. Just opening. So now you would be feeling a burn at the side of your thigh, at the right thigh, because my right leg is up. The left is down. Feel the stretch. Continue to come forward, forward, forward. Yes, come forward. Feel the burn at the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 9 and 10. Inhale, arms up. Stretch again. And exhale. Change your leg, please. Again. 10 counts we will do with this leg. Yes, you could just pinging your queries, question answers. I'll be happy to take them by the end of the session. So now the left leg is on, the left knee is on the right knee. Inhale, arms up. Continue, stretch, stretch. Exhale, exhale and come forward. Stretch now, stretch. And yes, push yourself forward. Feel the effect on the side of your thigh and the glutes. 2, 3, stretch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, arms up. Stretch again. Okay, great. Release, hands down. Okay, from here, let's come to Vajra. Vajrasana. Everybody knows Vajrasana, right? So this is Vajrasana. Okay, I guess there are a few people who have joined in for the first time. So here Vajrasana will mean sitting in this manner, the knees are folded, the big toe are touching together. I'm setting in place between the heels. Now, just take the weight on the water bottle and lift it up. 1, hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep breathing. 8, 9, 10. And just come down. So now we will do this movement. Inhale, exhale. Okay. So let's start again. 1, down. Up, inhaling, exhaling down. So when I'm exhaling, I'm just pushing my chest out, trying to pull my elbows together. Okay? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Those who do not have the weights, please take water bottles. Exhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are still sitting in Vajrasana. Okay. Great. Now coming up this way. Yeah. And placing. Just take one hand, right hand up. Inhale. Drop yourself back. Push the pelvic out. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. Inhale. Take the other hand and go back. Push the pelvic out. 1, 2. Push the pelvic out. Fold your spine back. 3. Keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back bending. 9, 10. Release. Come up. Okay. Alright. Wonderful. So, next one, we'll do pulsing here itself. So, we're sitting and then standing. So, 1, sit. 2, easy, sit. Okay, I'm assuming there are beginners as well. 3, keep breathing. 4, use the weight. 5, 6, 7, keep breathing. 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, lovely. Let's just come to Malasana now. Next, coming to Malasana. Okay, this is Malasana. Sitting this way, spine is upright, the sternum is up. Sternum, chest open, the shoulders are a bit outward. Also check that आप हम ऐसे गिर नहीं रहे हैं. There is no hunching. Elbows are pushing the knees outward. Okay? So, you can hold the weight. Hold it. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep sitting. There should be equal weight on your heels. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, release. Alright, let's just come from here and just dip. So what we'll be doing is we will be just dipping and coming to both chair pose. Alright, so standing upright first and Let's just dip. Dip once. You can just place a little difference between gap between your toes. और अब नीचे आ रहे हैं. 1. Stretch up in Tadasana. 2. Stretch in Tad. 3. Stretch in Tad. 4. Stretch in Tadasana. 5. Stretch. 6. Stretch. 7. Stretch. 8. Stretch Tadasana. 9. Stretch. 10. Stretch. Now bring your toes together and let's just walk. Walking. Tadasana. Walking in Tadasana. So I am on my toes. My thigh is lifted up. I'm not bending. Keep walking. Yes, keep walking. Back and forward. I'm not bending my knee. Last round. Very good. Okay. Slowly release. Alright. Okay, moving more for spinal flexibility today. Okay, so let's just come backward. Drop. Forward bend, flat back. Again go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, pull the thigh muscle up, 6, 5, push back, 4, 3, back bend, 2, and 1. Okay, release. Great. Let's just take the side one. So, just take your legs. They are far from the shoulder level. Or rather, you can do this. Jump out. Stay there. Check the level. Are your both legs, the toes in a straight line? Okay. So now, just raise it. 1. Easy. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, keep stretch, 7, 8, maintain the stretch and keep holding the bottles, 9, all the weight, 10. Okay, so now this one, inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can inhale, dip. Exhale, dip more. Inhale, dip more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, last 2. And let's hold the pose. Dancer's pose, hold it along with the weight. Yes, hold the weight in your hands. Only 10 counts. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Hip down. 4, 3, 2, 1. And up. Okay, wonderful. Just jump back. Alright, guys. Good job. Well, if you do not have this, yes, absolutely. Water bottles. Water bottles. That's okay. If you do not have the weights, then use the bottles. Okay, so it's just interwoven the use of weights along with the body postures. Okay. Alright, guys. How is it going till now? Just give me a thumbs up. I'll get to know that yes, you are able to use the weight and the postures accordingly. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's come. Change. So the next one, we would be doing tree. Oh, that's wonderful. Neeraj, Jaspal, Khurana, Devarat, Shashank, Rastogi. Very good. Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, so next, let's come to tree pose. Thigh is up. Okay, so first tighten the right thigh. So no complex postures we are doing today, but we are just adding weight to them. Okay. Inhale, we are doing tree pose with weight. Hands up. Yeah, maintain it. Focus बना के रखिए सामने एक point पे. The heel is in the groin. Maintain. 5 more. 4. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Change. Alright. Let's change. Take the other leg. Swap the leg now. Now the left thigh is pulled up. Okay. So just place the heel in the groin. So now I folded my right. The left is strong. The left leg is strong. Inhale, arms up. Yes, focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Okay, great. Good job. Okay, so next one. We are just doing a flat back position. Next, coming forward. So we are also holding the bottles, alright? So, stretch, hands up, push your hip back in such a manner that, the hip goes out, spine is straight. Yes, now let's try holding. 10, only 10, 9, 8, pull your thigh muscle up, 6, 5, 4, flat back position, 3, 2, 1, and down. Stay there, flat back position, chest, just flat back position, hip pushed back, thigh muscle pulled up, 2, look in front, 3, 4, 5, no hunching please, 6, 7, if you feel there's a hunch coming, then come up, only this much, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, alright, inhale and come up, easy, okay, so far so good. Chali, let's change. Now, the next posture, warrior pose. So now, I'm just taking my right leg forward, this way, okay, push the heel of the left leg backward and down. The pelvic has to be forward and straight. Okay, so this leg is in control. I'm pushing the heel of the leg which is at the back, that's my left leg, I'm pushing it downward and bending the right. So this is a 90 degree. Pelvic has to be forward, and so this is pelvic forward. So now we are doing this one again. 1, take the weights in your hand, intermove the weight, intermove the movement of with the weight along with the warrior. Yes, Veerbhadra 1. Along with the weights. Keep going guys, you're doing wonderful. 5, 6, 7, 8, open up the chest. 10, release. Okay, great job. Let's come back. Change. Now. So now, push the right heel backward, okay, right heel backward, left leg at a 90, pelvic forward, and let's begin. 1, 2, 3, stay in the posture, 4, 5, 6, 7, push your heel backward, 8, 9, 10, release. Okay, gently come forward. Okay, good job. Great. So just if anybody wants to just sip a little water, you can. Okay, so next one, we would be doing a Surya Namaskar. Okay, so from this one, let's first take a back bend. First posture, we will see how much we can use the weight along with the Namaskar, okay, today. So, elbows are down, inhale, arms up. Both the hands, just go for a back bend. Come forward, stretch and down. Now lift your left leg. Yes, stay. 1, 2. It's a lot of strength for your legs happening. You're gaining on the strength. Right thigh को ऊपर खींचिए. 5. Slowly down, and let's come to Anjane from here. Dip this thigh downward and bring this knee, make it straight. Okay? So now hands up. Again, I'm carrying the weight in my hands, chest open, arching back. 1, 2, 3, chest open. 4, 5, pelvic is forward. Release. Change. Let's change it. Okay, now bring this leg forward, take the other leg back. Good job. I hope you all are having the bottles in their hands or the weight. So now push the thigh downward. Now I'm pushing my right thigh down and lift your body up. Chest open. Chest open. Yes, arching back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arch back, pelvic forward. 8. Anjaneyasana. 9, 10. Beautiful. Good job, people. Just lift this leg and go back to mountain pose. Mountain. Body weight to be pushed backward. Now push your weight on towards the heel. Okay. So from here, come to plank. Holding it for only 10. Abdomen engage, hip squeeze. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so from here, you could just leave the weight, put it at the side, place one hand up. So I'm using the right hand down and I'm holding the weight in my left for a side plank, guys. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, great. Just turn again. Now my left hand is down. Turn and take the weight in your right hand. Stay 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in the center. Dip with Shashankasana. Stretch. Shashank will mean hip down. Stretch your arms forward. Hip is down. Yeah, hip down. Hands stretched forward. Okay, let's just come. Relax your spine a bit with cat and cow. Inhale, dip. Exhale, rounding it. Inhale, dip. Exhale, rounding. We are doing for 5 times. Inhale, dip. Exhale, round. Inhale, dip. Your hands are not slanting. Just check. Exhale, round it. Inhale, dip. Exhale. Okay, great. Alright, so let's come to another posture. So, we are just going to raise your right hand is up holding the weight and your left leg is up. So simple hai, balance karna hai, pretty simple. Whenever it's about balance, focus on a point in front. Yes, 1, 2, 3, stretch your leg at the back, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, let's change. Take the weight in the other hand. Now my left hand is holding the weight. Extend your right leg. Focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down to 10. Alright, okay, good job guys. So from here, let's change. Keeping the bottles near us, the weights near us. Just dip, slide and come to cobra pose. Okay, so this is the basic cobra pose. Elbows are with the body, toes पीछे से दबाइए, chest open, shoulders roll back. Okay, now lift yourself up. Arms are straight, not slanting. Chest outward, shoulders are rolled back, the toes are flat from the back. Now lift your thigh up, 1 and we are just doing this variation, lifting the thigh up. 1, 2, thigh up and down. 3, move thigh up and down. 4, feel what you're feeling, what you are observing on the navel. Stretch is there. Chest open, 3 more times. 3, 2, 1. So this was pulsing here. Okay, great. Again, take a single weight and come down. Yeah. So now, adding to the spine's flexibility, toes are flat, पीछे से toes को flat करिए, weight को पकड़िए हाथ में. Lift yourself up. Lift. Toes flat and down. Lift yourself higher. 1, 2, 3, chest up. 4, 5. हाथ को पीछे खींचिए, elbow सीधी. Stretch. Yes, wonderful for your spine strength, flexibility, and drop. Good job. Okay, so well. Let's take the next one here itself while we're on the abdomen. So I would be just taking weight in my, I'm having weight in my left hand now. So my left hand and the right leg, they are up. Okay? Hold it. Left hand, right leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, down. And change. Right hand and the left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring it down. Okay guys, good job. Okay, so from here, let's come up and rise back, go up, come up with mountain once again. Body weight पीछे की तरफ push करिए, heels की तरफ. And from here, just jump forward. Malasana. Great going everybody. Just come to Malasana, spine is straight. Okay, great. Now again, taking my dear weight in my hand and coming hip down, hip down. Let's hold the boat. Okay, so we are holding the weight. 10, 9, keep trying. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Okay, another one with the boat itself. Another one with the boat, another one variation with the boat pose. So, this way, taking the weight in your hands, you can fold your legs a little bit and just twist this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, that's wonderful. Let's, from here again, we need to come back to the mountain pose. Simple, come back to mountain. And from here, let's stand up, arching back. Relax. In Namaste. Hands down. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay, so far so good, guys. Who all were able to do all of the variations which we did with the weight? Yes, thumbs up. Yes, I just want to see those thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Yes, I guess you all, yes, keep going. That's wonderful. Yes, thank you so much, Tanu. Thank you. Yes, keep going. See, that's an added intensity. We have been doing the weights, we have been doing the postures. So it's just that we added intensity today. Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, everybody. Yes, thank you so much. I'm glad that you all are able to cope up with the tempo. If I'm going fast anywhere, just mention I would go slow. And yes, I appreciate all of you. Oh, well, wonderful. Wonderful, Tanu. Okay, great. Let's go. So, this was our, stint with adding weight while doing the postures. So, चलिए change करें. Okay. So, from here, let's come to Paschimottanasana. The heels are out, the toes are in. Stretch your hands. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Up, stretch. Exhale. Keep the bottles there. Keep the weight there constantly. This is your constant companion today in all the postures. Up. Start rowing. Rowing the boat. 1. With the weight. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Push yourself forward. 8. The heel is out, toe is in. 9. And 10. Okay, great. Let's do a little bit of Chakki now. The weight is still there. Heel out, toe is in. Go. 1. 2. You can take 1 bottle or 2, your wish. 3. As your comfort. 4. Move more forward. Make a big circle. 6. Heel out and toe in. 9 and 10. Let's do reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a big circle. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, okay, awesome. So good, all of you. Good effort. Let's come to Setubandh from here. Lie down on your spine and come to bridge. Now watch out for the variation here. Okay, so my knee toe there at a 90-degree angle, making with the. So now, next one, I'm placing my hands this way. So I'm just doing dipping, okay, in Setubandh Asana. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times dipping, still the weight is still there. Now lift, again pelvic up. उठाइए pelvic ऊपर और ऊपर और ऊपर, butt squeeze करिए. Now lift your left leg up. Weight is still there, okay, and we are moving it this 1, 2, 3. Weight up and down, but my pelvic is not coming down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Let's change. Take the other leg now. Lift up. Okay, so pushing the pelvic up and again. 1, tap down. Tap one leg down. 2, tap. 3, tap. 4, pelvic up. Tap. 5, tap. Weight is in your hands. Don't leave the weight. 6, tap. Pelvic up. Tap. Multitasking here. Tap. 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 And tap. Awesome. Dip down, guys. Just give yourself a nice stretch. Stretch up in Tadasana. The toes are forward, hands are up. Stretch. Okay, great. Okay, wonderful. Let's change. So, from here, let's just fold your knees and restore. Hug and roll. Yeah, just roll. Simple. 10 times. Roll. Sitting up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep rolling. 9, 10. Okay. Alright. So let's just move to the right and left. Roll to right and left. 1, both knees together. 2, 3, 4, दोनों knees एक साथ, right and left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, great. Legs at 90 degrees. Let's hold it. Come to Tanpadasana. Legs 90. Okay, and then bring it down. 90, 70. Fire up the core more. 70. Up. 70. Up. 70. Up 90. Hold the borders. Hold the weight. Yes. 2. Add up. Up. Down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Now get it more down. Let's go to 30. Up. 30. 90. 30. 90. 30. Tailbone नीचे दबाइए. Yes. Dip. Push the tailbone down. 3 more. You will not be feeling pain in the back. Push the tailbone down. Awesome. And relax. Let's just do another one which is called flapping. Okay? Let's just flap, simple. So now I'm coming on my elbows. I'm coming on my elbows and I'm just flapping. My weight is in my hand. Simple flap, 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 flap. Keep going. 10, 6, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, so just relax. So now, just dip your head in fish pose, Matsyasana. Okay, you can come on your elbows, dip your crown down, chest open, coming to Matsya, fish pose. Ground down, chest higher. And release now. Okay, just relax. So now finally, let's take a happy baby pose. So this is a simple yet a very effective pose. It will release all the stiffness from the lower body. The tight hip will be benefited. Okay, so see, I'm holding with my right hand, I'm holding my left, with my left I'm holding the left heel, with right hand I'm holding the right heel, pushing the knee a bit downward. Okay, stay there. Happy baby, just like a happy baby. Check. Are you happy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Slowly just bring your legs down. Slowly. Superb. Okay. Time for the favorite of all, Shavasana. Just come to Shavasana. So Shavasana means and full relaxation. Just relax in Shavasana, guys, now. Shavasana, full relaxation, we're just lying down. Just lying down. So lying down means we are just entirely cooling down our body. And just preparing to observe. We are just observing what's going on. And let's just observe while we are in Shavasana, let's just observe something which we do not really observe the entire day. Just keep lying down, aankhein band. Body is loose now, cooling down, relax. And just watch what's happening. Become a witness of your body. Just watch what's happening. Become a witness. How are your toes, your heels? Are you sweating? Is there any stress? Any pain that you still feel, or you're feeling totally energized? How are you feeling? Just analyze, introspect, become a witness to your body. Also, today we are just being grateful. We are thanking our toes and heels, all the entire body from toe to head, right from the heels, up calves, your knees, the thighs, the hip. So we just cannot think of ourselves surviving well without any of them functioning. So we are grateful to our entire system, our organ system, all our limbs, entire spine. Just being grateful, observing your body in bits. Spine, the frontal body, the chest, heart function, the lung function, the immunity factor, the respiratory organs, your shoulders, your neck. All is just relaxed. And now finally, just look at your face. The feeling of contentment, relaxation on your face, the smile there. With closed eyes, we are just observing. So no stress anywhere, the eyebrow center is relaxed. The eyebrow center relaxed, the tongue is relaxed. Let's just turn from our left and come up. Let's turn from the left and let's just come up now. From left, yeah. So we are sitting. We are sitting for a little relaxing pranayama or a breathing, okay, which is, what most of you would be aware of, which is called Bhramari breath. Okay, so this will just relax and just take your anxiety or tiredness away if you have still. So we are just going to place our hands this way at the temples of our forehead. Inhale and exhale with the humming sound. We'll do this 3 times only. Again. Inhale, exhale with humming. Inhale again, exhale, humming. And relax. Just feel and observe the relaxation of your breath with this. And another one that we are doing is alternate nostril breathing. So now this is another important breathing technique. Right nostril को बंद कर दीजिए, right thumb से inhale from the left nostril. Deep inhalation, place the index finger on the left. Exhale from the right. Now inhale from the right. Close, exhale from the left. Inhale again. Inhale from the left. Close, exhale right. Inhale again. Close, exhale left. Inhale. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Last one. Inhale left. Close it. Exhale right. Inhale left. Close, exhale. left से exhale करिए and just relax. Let's conclude with Om 3 times. You can place your hands in Namaste position. And again, being grateful, thankful. Om 3 times. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rubbing your palms, taking this energy on your face, your entire body, palming your eyes, and taking this energy on your entire body. Thank you so much for being here, all of you. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much, and I hope the session was fruitful for all of you. You can just give me a thumbs up. Yes. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. See you again next week. I hope the weights did add a more intense factor to the postures which we did today. Alright, thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tanu Gulati, T Gulati. Thank you, BK Mill. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you everybody on both the Insta and the Facebook handles here. Enjoy the session. Thank you so much, Rajoshri 6370. Alright. Yes, it's equally wonderful to catch up with you all repeatedly and see you again. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye bye.